Free cash is basically paying you for completing offers, and you also have offers in our own sites, but um, they have pretty cool sections that you don't see in our own faucets. So that's why you might want to try both. It's always worth comparing two sites. So first of all, if you complete offers in free cash, you get paid. If you're using stake account, you can get basically stake US account. You would get 30% extra, or regular account 15% extra. So that's free of charge. You can see like if you're completing offers, they also giving you bonuses. So for instance, you have daily streak if you completed offers. So they here you get free 3 cents, for instance. So they giving you all the times bonuses, just like we do with our own VIP sections. Um, these surveys for 3 minutes, so we don't know if it's gonna work or not, but you can always try and see how it looks. It says Protege. That's not gonna take 3 minutes. It's gonna take 10 minutes. So let's leave it for now. And but once you complete it, you get 33 cents, and you can do it later. You can also try one for 2 minutes. It says again, you never know if you try. Do you have a webcam willing to use it? You can say yes, but if it says webcam, it's also going to take some time. It's not worth 7 cents. You can browse around surveys they have, but it's not only surveys, because surveys you have also in your own sites. You can try several offer walls that you're seeing here. And some of them are not presented in free Bitcoin, for instance. And you can try those gaming offers, cashback as well. So if you're in the US or in other countries, you can get cashback. Let's say you buy Timu, 55%, M&M, 6%, and so on. And Chime Mobile, $350. Don't get excited if you see $300. Make sure you really read the lines all the way, like the small print and everything. Here they're asking you to make your first direct deposit of $200 or more. So if you're working, for instance, and you're getting paid salary or something, then you can get a direct deposit of $200 or more. Then yes, that's pretty much worth it. And you're probably going to get bonus as well from Chime as well, for opening an account with them. So this way you're going to get bonus from FreeCash and from Chime as well. For instance, if you do offer of $5.43, that's Upside. Upside is an app in the US, and that's you use Upside for a gas station, for instance. So you get paid cashback for filling up gas, and then you get paid extra, especially with the gas prices nowadays. They're going up, and we all know it. Then it's pretty cool. You can also check these, and these are just cashback. You can also see the top ones that's showing here, like $20 from SoFi, just free credit score check plus $20. So it's only 11 days left. And in the earn section as well, you can check these boxes. So let's say you don't use Android iPhones, or the opposite, you only use iPhones and you don't use Android, then you can see those offers available for you. You can even click on them with PC, just like we're doing here, and just then you would be able to just scan the QR code and download and everything. Just make sure you see $300. It looks pretty exciting, but you need to reach a really crazy level within 9 days. That's $20, and that could cost you a little bit more in the app. So, and then look at these levels and these levels. Only then you get 300. You do get play rewards, so you just keep playing to fill the bar. But this is more the realistic prices that you're getting for playing. This is very difficult to achieve, and some of you are also trying in those offers, similar offers in their own sites, and they don't always track, don't always convert. So really, just always take these with a grain of salt. A grain of salt, like before you even try those. Installing the app, reaching level 2, reaching level 4, that's pretty realistic, and that's pretty cool to do. But you're getting only a few cents for these. So this is, again, this is the realistic things that you're going to get for it. Still, I mean, it's not bad to get a few pennies if you enjoy playing those games, but just to set expectations, that's the way it works. And then if you want to cash out, you can see the cash out page they have over there, which is loading now. So just like we mentioned, stake is giving you up to 30% bonus, or 15% if it's the regular one, or you can use crypto. like Solana, Litecoin, Bitcoin, or gift cards, bank transfers, things like that. And stake is starting only at 25 cents, so it's pretty easy to achieve it. So, yeah. If you're grinding or you treat it as a side hustle, it's not bad. As I mentioned, the surveys are pretty easy to complete. Again, it would take you 10 minutes. It's not bad, but just it's going to give you another 30 cents or so. And then you can do it again, and so on and so on. Same thing here. Other than that, it's pretty clear. If you wish to sign up to FreeCash, you can use our own link that we would put in the description here. You can refer others as well. You can see the tiers basically. We are in tier 5, so if you get $100 of affiliate earnings, like basically you're bringing friends, you get paid for like, let's say starting from 5% commission of whatever they earn, and it could be 9, and if you get more, it can be up to 30%, but that's the top. And this is total earnings. We haven't pushed this website too much, but you can see it. Like, it's still pretty cool website to use. This is basically the way it looks here. Quests is also something you can do. Open one case on the arcade page, or subscribe to SMS pay updates. You don't have to. The arcade is risky because you have to pay for it, and then you get a prize. So that's like a little bit like risky. It's not the jackpot, it has to be the cases. So it's starting with $1.30. Even if you take a low risk, you can still view the case. Then you have very slim chances to get $10 Apple gift card. Again, slim chances to get $5 Google gift card. The very likelihood that you're gonna get is 250 tickets for the lottery, very likely, or $1.50, so you get 20 cents essentially. That's 65%, or $1.75, which is very small chances. So this is not going to guarantee that you're going to win anything. That's basically going to mean that you're going to throw away $1.30, and here, yeah, I'm going to make 20 cents. So it's not worth it, but if you want it for the sake of the quest, just to do it, and then you're going to get 25 cents extra or something like that just once, you can try it. And you can also click on my offers, and then you can see offers you completed, rewards and things like that, or like those kind of games, what you completed already. You can see it here, stash, those things, and cashback as well, and all those things as well. You can just take a look and see for yourself, try it yourself. It's pretty simple, as mentioned, and click on all the other offers. You can see, so you put no iPhones, for instance. With iPhone there's lots more, but if you're not using it, just using Android, then that's what you're gonna see. As mentioned, don't think that you're gonna get those 200, 300 like we mentioned, but you can get something like like as mentioned, few cents. Depends, you can check every offer. Let's say you check this X2 blocks at $61.60. Installing gets you 0. Opening block 2048 is 3 cents, and so on and so on. So, yep, simple as that. And if you have any other questions, feel free to comment below. If you like the site, feel free to use the link provided in the video description. And the name of the site, FreeCash, that's going to be your promo code from this video. So use it, the word FreeCash. And other than that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check all these walls when you're here. If you're already signing up, there's a lot more. So for instance, my chips is pretty new, and Farley as well. You can see the ratings, basically what people saying, but those ratings are not accurate. So this is pretty cool. 19 per minute for the solitaire and so on. So feel free to check. There's a lot more to check in the whole sections, and to play around and see if you like something. All right, so as mentioned, I'm going to put a link in the description. Feel free to sign up, and feel free to leave us your comments, feedback, everything, Not gonna repeat it one more time. So thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Take care and bye for now.